What is the significance of combining brain and heart wave cohesion? Well, the short answer is the synergy of the brain and the heart actually harmonizes your entire being, unlocking your full potential and creating a holistic resonance for profound well-being. And actually, it's very, very healing for all of the cells in all of your body. Now, you also have a heightened intuition, and you have more clarity to the bigger picture. That's the thing, is you have a bigger picture of all of life, and that really helps. It's a knowingness that is unshakable. You feel more vibrant and energized and more alive and attuned to the frequency of joy and love and harmony, and your physicality is much more healthy. You have your body aligns to health and wellness, and you have a heightened state of well-being. This information is gold. You're going to get some really interesting alternative content to find you living with that, and NDE knowledge too.